Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, fine. Now we are going to practice subject plus verb ing form. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm reading. We are reading. You are reading. You are reading. They are reading. He is reading. She is reading. It is reading. I am writing. We are writing. You are writing. You are writing. They are writing. He is writing. She is writing. It is writing. আমি কাচ্ছি, আমরা কাচ্ছি, তুমি কাচ্ছ, তোমরা কাচ্ছ, তারা কাচ্ছে, সে একজন পুরুষ কাচ্ছে, সে একজন স্ত্রী কাচ্ছে, ইহা কাচ্ছে, আমি খেলতেছি, আমরা খেলতেছি, তুমি খেলতেছ, তোমরা খেলতেছ, তারা খেলতেছে, সে একজন পুরুষ খেলতেছে, সে একজন স্ত্রী খেলতেছে, ইহা খেলতেছে, I am coming, we are coming, you are coming, you are coming, they are coming, he is coming, she is coming, it is coming. Okay, fine, mashallah. Thanks to keep with us.